Hello and welcome to this video on simplifying trigonometric expressions. This is example 4, and in this example we're going to use a lot of the previous ideas that we used. So if I want to simplify this trigonometric expression, notice that I can't factor this expression. I don't have anything in common, and there's no squares to break it down. So what I'm going to do is what I did in the last example. I'm going to put everything in terms of sine and cosine. So put in sine and cosine. So cosecant of x, this identity, this is 1 over sine of x minus cosine of x. And cotan of x, that is cosine over sine. Okay, so notice everything is in terms of sine and cosine. And what I'm going to do now is just I'll multiply my second term. So I have 1 over sine of x minus cosine squared of x over sine of x, and you'll notice that in this example I already have common denominator, so I don't have to introduce any new terms like I did in the last example, which makes it nice. So I have 1 minus cosine squared of x divided by sine of x, and here I'm going to go ahead and use a Pythagorean identity, which is that sine squared of x plus cosine squared of x is equal to 1. Okay, but I moved the cosine squared over, so I have this identity. Okay, so I'm going to switch out the 1 over cosine squared of x, and I get sine squared of x is equal to sine of x, which just reduces to sine of x. And that is your example. Okay, so in this video we simplified this trigonometric expression using reciprocal identities and Pythagorean identities. Give me a thumbs up. Catch you next time.